Ever wonder why we sneeze? It's your body's ultimate defense mode. Irritants like dust, pollen, or viruses tickle nerves in your nose. This instantly signals your brain's sneeze center. Boom, reflex activated. You take a deep breath. Pressure builds in your chest and throat. Then, explosion. Air blasts out at up to 100 miles per hour, launching misty saliva droplets over 20 feet to eject the invaders. Fun fact, up to 35% of people have the photic sneeze reflex. They sneeze uncontrollably from sudden bright light, like stepping into sunlight. It's genetic. Your nose just got rebooted. Mind blown? Comment if sunlight makes you sneeze. Like, subscribe for more body facts.